All right, folks, we are live on YouTube. Uh, Coming to you live YouTube. Hopefully, you guys could hear me okay. For some reason, I wasn't able to simultaneously broadcast on YouTube as well as Facebook.
A new severe thunderstorm warning has been
All right,
issued.
we do have a severe thunderstorm warning right now, and this is covering areas uh, east of Litchfield. Possible tornado tag on that. This is was updated. It looks like 1:33 p.m. We have another one farther down here. Yeah, we do. Goodness gracious, we got them all over the place here. This is for another 20 minutes. This one was the one that was just issued. It's going across the ticker there. I hope you all can hear me okay. One moment, I'm going to check my stream to verify here. All right, we got continuous coverage here. So we do have Um, all right, we do have the severe thunderstorm warning. Let me just pull this down here.
A new tornado
Oh, we got
warning has
another
been issued.
tornado warning. This is two tornado warnings now that are active. Let's verify here with, it does show only one, so hold on a second. This is Swift County, Pope County, and Stevens County, Minnesota. That would be this one right here. Let's go ahead and take a quick peek here if we can. And see what we have as far as high resolution velocity. Have to get to a different radar here, so bear with me while I get these going. Have to get to the Aberdeen one, I think, in order to get anything really ramped up here. Kind of in between radars, so that's the tough part about it. Not able to see a whole lot of information there right now. This is radar indicated tornado warning. This covers southwestern Polk County in west central Minnesota, southeastern Stevens County in west central Minnesota, eastern Swift County, and this is in Minnesota as well. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Benson, or 25 miles northeast of Montevideo, moving north at 40. So it's trucking along, that's for sure, and likely 1 inch hail in there as well. I'm going to just verify here that everything is going through. Just one moment. Trying to get all this ready to go because it's going to be a long night if I can't get this rolling here, folks. one moment, folks. Having audio issues here or what? All right. Can you guys hear me okay? It seems like it's not very loud. Let's go ahead and bring the volume back up. There we go. Now you guys can probably hear me a little bit better, it looks like. There we go. All right. So now we're trucking along pretty good. Okay. So there's
A new tornado warning has been
there we go. We
issued.
got another tornado warning. This one again. This is a continuation of that. It's continued on the same track. It's going north at north at 40. All right. Nice. Nice. Okay. Perfect. Thank you, John. Appreciate it. Yeah, it's moving north at 40 miles per hour. That's pretty significant. So we do have four active severe thunderstorm warnings. The two of them are in Minnesota. This would be near the Minneapolis Twin Cities area. So if you're in that area, it would be east of Litchfield. You can certainly see the two right there. Let me get these polygons a little bit, excuse me, a little bit of a darker shade so that we could kind of see that a little bit better here. 1 second. All right, there they are. So you can kind of see those polygons a little bit better just to the northeast or northwest, rather, of Chanhassen. They are trucking along pretty good. These are also going, it looks like 40 miles an hour. Let's take a look at that. Moving north at 30. So it's really trucking along. 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. We'll take a quick peek here at the hydrometer classification. Hydrometer classification will give us idea of where rain is as well as hail. RA, where's our hail factor?
A new tornado warning has
Another
been
tornado
issued.
warning. This is a continuation. It was issued at 146. That is again that tornado possible. We have radar that is now observed. Observed tornado. Get in your shelter and make sure that you are in your safe place. At 1:46 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado was located over Lake Hassel, or 22 miles southeast of Morris, moving north at 50. Two train spotters report confirmed tornado with debris west, north, and east of Benson. Again, if you're in this area, this is also going to impact area of Starbuck, Cyrus. This is in Minnesota. Also going to impact areas of Glenwood. If it keeps trucking along, it could end up impact areas of Alexandria, Minnesota as well. It's moving fairly fast, so just be mindful of that. See if I can take a look at high resolution velocity here and get a better view of this. It's hard to see the rotation with this radar. It's in between radars right now, so it's very difficult to see it. Not going to lie, it's very, very difficult to see it. But we do have, again, this is a confirmed tornado on the ground. As you can see, it says observed, so it is a confirmed tornado on the ground. There's also a continued tornado watch that is until, apologize, 1 second here. There is continued tornado watch, and that's until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
A new tornado warning has
we
been
have
issued.
we have another tornado warning. 2 of them now. Is that true? We got 2. This is Dakota County, Minnesota, and Scott County, Minnesota. That is down here now. This is on its way. So if Elko New Market, this is going to likely impact areas of Bloomington, Minnesota. If you're along, this is definitely something we could take a look at with a high resolution base velocity here. Take a look here, 1 second. That is a lot of rotation in there. See if this is confirmed. No, it is a radar indicated. But nonetheless, southeastern Scott County and east central Minnesota until 2:15 at 1:48, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing tornado was located over Elko, New Market, or 13 miles northwest of Northfield, moving north at 55. A very dangerous storm. So if you're along I-35 right now, folks, you need to be in your safe place. This is definitely a dangerous storm, going to impact areas of Credit River, Prior Lake, just, outside of some major areas, but it does look like it's moving off. Again, radar indicated moving off into the northerly direction. It's capable of producing a tornado, so that's why they have the signature of a radar indicated tornado there. So we now have 2 of them. We've got the one that's in further northern part, northwest part of north central rather, part of Minnesota. And then we also do have this one down here that is impacting to areas of just south of Shakopee, right on top of Elko, New Market, Minnesota. And if this takes kind of a track to the east, which it may actually do, could end up impacting areas of Lakeville. Again, we do have a little bit of a signature there, not going to lie, of some rotation. A little hard because we're a little close to the radar here. So let me see if there's another radar that I can kind of take a look at that. All up and down these lines, we got severe thunderstorm warning. Got 4 of them, 1, 2, 3, and then the 4th one, I believe that's in Arkansas. Let's take a look. Yeah, the 4th one is way down here in Arkansas near Russellville. That's a pretty impactful storm as well. That one, 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Let's go back up to these tornado warnings. A big line there. Hang on 1 second. See if I have anybody in that vicinity here. 1 moment. I'm going to turn on, see if I have any chasers here. Let's check.
A new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
That's out of Little Rock, so that would be Conway County. Again, that's down in areas of Arkansas. We got that one here. It's a continuation, basically. That's Hector. Large wall of wind down here. This is major wind. I don't see the tornado threat being down that far. It's a 2% risk. But the farther that these move off to the northeast, the greater the probability of those turning into a tornado type of event. Once we get over to Cape Girardeau area in extreme southeastern part of Missouri, and then once we get into Illinois, that's where things are really going to ramp up and get kind of crazy. It looks like we do have a couple of chasers that I don't have permission to stream from for right now, but they still are in the general Joliet and Chicago vicinities. One is stationed over here by Davenport. So go ahead and take a look at the weather models and see what's kind of expected to have happen here. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at this weather model, see what we can gander and what it's expected to have here happen. And I'm just going to move this over to a larger screen. Right now I've got it on my laptop, so I need to get this over to another screen here so we kind of can see it a little bit better. All right, let me go ahead and move that over here. Madison, Wisconsin area, Milwaukee. Look at this Eau Claire. It's going to be pretty impactful right around 5 o'clock in those areas. Just looking at 2 o'clock, that's HRRR's got it pretty well covered. These storms will move more off to the north. Now we
A
have
new severe thunderstorm warning has been
Wisconsin
issued.
now. We've now got things moving into Wisconsin, folks. Is it ramping up in Wisconsin? Let's take a look and see where those are exactly. We now have a severe thunderstorm watch for Arkansas. Thought I saw Wisconsin in here. Where's that at? In the current tornado warnings are showing up in the top scroll here.
A new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
Dakota County, Goodhue County, Rice County, Scott County, those are severe thunderstorm warnings. I don't see anything suggesting Wisconsin. I thought that'd be odd that we already have Wisconsin going nuts. So right now, the most dangerous storm that we have is over here by Starbuck area of Minnesota. That is a observed tornado warning. This one does look like it's pretty intense as well, so don't discard this. That's headed into areas, it's right on top of Credit River, making its way to the Twin Cities area. If it keeps on the same track, expect quarter-size hail and a possibility of a tornado.
A new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
They're blowing up all.
A new tornado
Another
warning has been
tornado
issued.
warning. So this is a continuation for Pope County and Stevens County, Swift County, Minnesota. Tornado warning. That would be this one right here, I believe. Nope, that's this one right here. This is to the northeast or northwest of Wilmer, Minnesota. Glenwood. Glenwood, you're going to be get in your safe spot. Starbuck, you should already be in your safe zone. Glenwood, it's right on top of you, just about. Again, very difficult to see this thing coming. Moving along really quickly. Trying to take a look at the volumetric of this. And it's a little tough to see that. Again, these areas here that we see, those are all the tornado or the Storm Prediction Center's outlook for tornadoes. This is all possibility of having tornadoes.
A new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
Another severe thunderstorm warning we got. Another one. Hang on one second. I got to see where I've got. Just got a notification. One second here. Hang on one second, folks. I'm trying to see. All right, looks like Connor Croft is down in Buckingham area of Illinois. That's him right here, I believe. Yep, I can't show that feed. And then we got Brad Arnold. We can't show him either. These guys are all setting up in a good spot. Just kind of letting things cook. And it won't take much longer. And these storms that are moving off to the northeast and north, eventually this is going to basically make a line this way, and we'll start impacting the Kenosha area of Wisconsin. Let me kind of show you the weather model here. Moving right along Eau Claire around 4 o'clock. So I'll probably take a break here in a little bit because I'm going to need to go get my kids. But that way, by the time it gets to Chicago area and Madison area, I'll be back live by that time. So I'm going to take a break and we'll be back. I'm going to try and get a few things in order and